Assalamu alaikum, I'm Mehar Bilal. Our new series is in progress, Learn Urdu, and we are going to teach our third lecture. Two lectures have been taken. The first lecture was about alif madda. Alif sound as ah. It is just revision. If you want to see in detail, you should visit our channel or see in description. Link will be found. Alif madda sound as a. Be sound as ba. Pe sound as pa. Te sound as ta. Te sound as ta. And se sound as sa. A and this represented as A, this sound as B, this sound as P, these both have T, and this is S. These are similar sounds just in English. In lecture 2, we have learned about Jim sound as ja, che sound as cha, he sound as ha, and he sound as ha. In English, we can pronounce it just as J. This is something like CH, and this is like H, and this is like KH. You can pronounce it according to English letters J, Ja, Jim, Cha, Ha, Ha. And in third lecture, we are going to read our new family Dal. Sound as Da, Da. In English, the similar word letter is D, D. The next one is Dal. Sound as Da, Da. Just as doctor. Next one is Zal. In Urdu, its name is Zal. Zal. You should keep in mind, in Urdu, family system is strong. They, whole family, write in similar way. Just dots represent its name. In second lecture, Jim has same family, same shapes, just dots change its name. Dot and their positioning change its name. If this have one dot, it is Jim. 3 dots, it is Che. No dot, it is He. 1 dot on top is He. Similarly, this one, whole family is same shape, just dots change their name. Zal, Za, sound as Z, Za. The next one is Re, Ra. In Urdu, its name is Re. Its sound is Ra, Ra. And in English, pronounce it just like R. Ade, Ade, Ada, Ada. In English, Roman, we write R for it also. Ade, Ra. Pahar. Z, it is similar as Z. Shape is different, but sound is same. There are many letters in Urdu alphabets which have same sound, similar sound. So keep in mind, Zal and Z have same sound, but their shape is different and usage also different. We use them in different words in different positioning. Zalis also sound as Z in English. Ye, it's something mixing like as X. Ye, ye. Its sound is mixture of Z and ye. Ye and Z. Ye. Television. Television. These are words. They have also their alternate shapes. This family, when joined with some next number, something special about this family is that they can join in end, like as this, zid, zid, like as sir. They can join at the end of any other letter, but they cannot join from start. The rook, rub, rub. You can see that in start they don't touch the next letter, but at the end they touch the next letter. So you have noticed that in zid, dal has changed its shape as ray, and in this form it is ray, ray. Ray when joined with any other letter, it go down from the line. It is ray, and when dal attached with any other letter, it reshape just as ray, not as dal. If they are start, they have their own shapes. I think you have learned it. Please try to practice it. Their pronunciation, their sound. If you have any problem, you can comment us. Good luck.